So friends, welcome back to Dr. Kumar's Healing Clinic. In our last video, we made delicious chai latte without using cow milk. In this video, we will discuss the health effects of this healing beverage. To refresh your memory, we made chai latte using Chobani brand's plain oat milk. We also used black tea and spices like cardamom and cloves and fresh ginger root. We also used cinnamon and bay leaves. Let's start with cardamom. To understand its impact, we need to take a closer look at our body's immune system. Imagine zooming in on it like a detective. Now, picture the fiercest defender in your immune system. It's called the natural killer cell. Its name totally fits its job. These extremely sophisticated killers are part of rapid response team, which is an integral part of our innate immune system, which means they can eliminate potential dangers without any prior exposure or training. Now, here is where cardamom steps in. In lab studies, when these natural killer cells were exposed to a certain concentration of cardamom, something amazing happened. Suddenly, these natural killer cells were on a rampage, attacking cancer cells like there is no tomorrow. 10 times more efficiently than before. It's like giving a boost to your personal army of defenders, making sure they are at their best to safeguard your body against the risk of cancer and infections. Now, let's dive into cloves now. These 4 cloves in our chai cover 55% of your daily manganese needs. And there is more. Weight for weight, it is one of the highest antioxidant rich food. These antioxidants are like protective shields for your body and DNA, saving us from free radicals, which are like flying bullets. Check out the video for a deeper dive here. But wait, clove is also backed by studies for fighting against various cancers. Plus, they have antimicrobial powers, making them great for gum issues like gingivitis. You may say a quick antibacterial mouthwash may be more convenient. But wait, think the bigger picture. Imagine criminals hiding in downtown New York. Would you nuke the whole place to kill them? It's the same concept here. Natural options like green tea, mouthwash, and cloves for that matter take a gentler approach, dealing with bad bacteria without harming the good ones. It is like using diplomacy instead of war. And guess what? Cloves and green tea mouthwash also brings anti-inflammatory magic to the table, independent of its antimicrobial properties. This helps soothe chronic inflammation, especially in your mouth and gums. Now, let's talk about ginger. Ginger has such amazing health benefits against so many health problems, which are well supported by good quality, peer-reviewed human studies, that there is a whole separate video dedicated to this incredible gift from ancient India to the world. Just click here and you will be on your way to ginger enlightenment. Now, bay leaves, an essential part of Indian and European cooking, have potential benefits like anti-cancer and anti-diabetic effects. But more quality human studies are needed. Lastly, Cinnamon is known for its anti-diabetic properties, but one of the most exciting effects of cinnamon is that it may have some benefit for memory and learning capacity. Data is still evolving. In short, chai isn't just a tasty beverage, it's a tradition with deep roots and numerous health benefits. So join me in embracing this ancient delights that's not only good for our taste buds but also for our health and our Mother Earth. Stay blessed. Namaste. Adios. Zaizan. Khuda Hafiz. Alvida.